Okay, so the first thing I have to do is crawl underneath the truck. Back to exactly where I am. This is coming from underneath the bumper. And right there is the body mount underneath the radiator body mount. So a little bit lower, right in here, is the fog lamp. So to give you an idea, my head is against the passenger side wheel, and my chest is right underneath where the fog lamp is. So I'm right under the bumper. It's very accessible. Okay, so I got a finger in there and I disconnected that little tab. Now if I just pull on the bottom here with my left hand, I don't want to pull on those wires too much, but there we go. Okay, so that just pops out. And I switched hands with the phone, so I'm holding the phone in my left hand now. I can grab this with my right. A little rotation counterclockwise. I know my hand's in the way, but here you see I rotated it. That releases the tabs. Just shimmy it out. There's the old halogen bulb. Okay, so that was nice and easy to get out. There's the new LED light connected to the wire harness. It's easier to make the connection first and then get it in the slot. So I'm just gonna reach up there with my hand. So you see it's going in, and then you hold it a little off to the side like that because those tabs need to line up. And then once you get it seated, give it a little bit of clockwise turn and it'll lock in. And the wire harness, when it's all done, should be facing down toward the bottom. So it's gonna go off to the side first and then boom, lock in that way. Okay, so that's installed. Now I got it tucked up in there really good. Okay, so there they are in the on position, and you can see how much whiter and brighter they are than the stock halogen. And in case you're wondering, my regular headlights, those are on low beam right now. Those are also LED lights from Alla lighting.